back to Beacon Point 3 and 3, where we bring you 3 financial planning and investing tips in 3 minutes to help you take control of your finances, gain peace of mind, and make better investment decisions. I'm Kobe Kress.
I'm Robin Gerke, and thank you for joining us. Today we bring you 3 excellent books we think you will enjoy and will help you with a variety of financial aspects in your life. Kobe, what's our first book?
So our first book is Simple Wealth, Inevitable Wealth by Nick Murray. Nick Murray is a longtime financial author and thinker, and Simple Wealth is a book he wrote for clients to outline the timeless principles of investing, financial planning, and behavioral finance. In the book, he outlines a basic investment plan, a basic financial plan for your retirement, and he talks you through the behavioral mistakes you should avoid. As the book description on the back cover reads, the fundamentals of successful long-term equity investing do not, because they cannot, change. Robin, what's our second book for investors?
Our second book is Your Dollars, Our Cents, a simple and fun guide to money matters. This book is written by Beacon Pointe. It's designed to help you make sense of various aspects of finances in your life, such as retirement, estate planning, insurance, and much more. It's meant to be a simple and relatable book to help you with different stages and events in your life. Kobe, how's our third book?
So our third book doesn't require you to do a lot of reading, but rather it requires you to do a bit of writing. The book is The Peace of Mind Planner by Peter Popper Press, and we find all too often that clients and folks out there may have an airtight estate plan, but the others that are going to have to act on your behalf don't know where all your information is kept. The Peace of Mind Planner gives you a place to store that information so that those you care about know where to look if they need the information.
There you have it, 3 books in 3 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.